Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Neema. I am an options trader and I trade in Nifty, Bank Nifty and Sensex. I occasionally trade in commodity and equity. I post my daily videos on this channel which include all my decision point levels in Nifty, Bank Nifty and Sensex, and on the basis of those decision points I find my entry opportunities for that particular day. So do watch my videos and follow the levels so that it might help you to find your entry opportunities. Also subscribe my channel for free live sessions and press a bell icon so that you will get the notification for that. Do write your comments in the comment box what you learned from this channel, and also write your queries. In the comment box, I will answer your queries, or I will answer your queries in the video or in the next session which I record. So do approach me, feel free, and I will answer all your queries, all your questions. You can also follow me on Instagram, and you can also visit my website which is www.neemadptrader.com. All the links are given in the bio. So do visit my channel, keep following, keep subscribing, keep liking and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.